This is a 45-degree foam, craft foam 45-degree cutting tool from Aliexpress. It is made, it can make 45-degree angle cut on a DIY craft making foam or Depron foam. So this is the thing that makes the 45-degree angle. This is how it goes. It also comes with this 5 extra blades. Now let's cut a 45-degree angle. These are the measurement points. From here I can adjust the blade. So in order to cut a 45-degree angle on a 5 mm Depron foam, I usually set the blade to this point. Once then we can check so it is almost the thing is not to cut that deep so that it does not cut the other side of the foam, and it should be deep enough to make the 45-degree angle. So here I have put the blade, and I will put a scale to make sure it is straight. A little bit of adjustment not behind that. So if it comes straight, we can do some marking. So we will put a 5 mm distance. Now we will flip this board. Now you can see so a little bit of support is I have left a little bit of support, so now I can if I had put it here on this point a little bit further, that could be a perfect cut. Okay, we can make, but now we can still make it bend. If we use hot glue and apply it, it will be okay. Here you can see I have made these cuts, and this form is a little bit different. It has, its paper is very different, so it just breaks. Here the distance is more, it is around 10 mm, and you can see that is, I think, perfect. If we put a more distance between these two lines, it will be good. After cutting the foam, if you bend this like that way and then do it this will also work. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. This is the angle cutting tool I am using. You can buy it on Aliepxress.